So here are some things that you should consider after having water damage in your home. The first thing you want to do is turn off the water source, whether it's a shut-off valve or call a plumber and get the water turned off. The next thing you want to do is call flood damage restoration so that we can be on our way to extract the water and start the drying process and restoring the home. The third thing, while we're on our way, is to move any personal belongings and contents out of the way so that the water doesn't damage any more of your personal belongings, and also put aluminum foil under the legs of any furniture. That way that prevents a stain transfer from the furniture dye onto the carpet or the flooring. The last thing you want to do once we arrive at your home or business, we can assess the damage and then determine whether or not you need to file an insurance claim due to the cost of the damage or the repairs that need to be done. So sometimes you don't even need to file an insurance claim, and we could actually restore the home for less than it would be the coverage of your deductible.